Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we have completed the routing and all those things. Now we will try to set up the PostgreSQL in our project. So for installing this PostgreSQL, what we need to do, let's try to see. So let's open the browser, and here I will be trying to use the PostgreSQL. For this project, I will be using the PostgreSQL. So here this is our PostgreSQL. And here you can able to see the download option. Okay, let's try to download this one. And here it will be asking you the operating system which you are having. So right now I am using the Windows, so I will be using the Windows here. And interactive installer EBD, so certified by EDB for all Postgre versions and all those things. So here, so we are able to see. So I think it is downloading or what? Platform support PostgreSQL 2022. Okay. So download the installer. So here it is asking download the installer. Okay, let's try to download the installer. So here it is telling the version. Again it is asking for Windows and all those things. Okay, so here let's try to click on this Windows X24 Windows. Here I am downloading it. So it will take some time. Your downloading should begin in few seconds. Okay, so it is downloading. It may take some time depending on your internet connection. So it is downloading it. So it is taking 335 MB total is there. 21 seconds it is taking. So let it take. So here it has been downloaded. Let's try. I am trying to click on this one. I have clicked on this one. Let's see what will happen. So here it is coming. So download the installer. We have downloaded this, launching the installation. So let's try to launch the installation. So it is launching, and it is telling to select the install location button. Okay, let's go. These are all the things it is asking. Yeah, here I am clicking on the next, and here it is telling about the place where the PostgreSQL will be installing. So I am taking the C program files. Okay, I am leaving as it is, and it is asking I will be installing these all the things. Okay, let's try to click on next. So here in the data folder, and this one is important. The super user is the PostgreS. And the password I am using test123 in my local, and also test123. So you need to better remember this one, test123. So here I am clicking on the next, and the default port for the Postgre installation is 5432, whereas MySQL it will be having 3306. So let's try to click on this one. So new database cluster default, and here let's click on the next, and setup is ready to begin, and it will install. So depending on your system speed and all those things, so it may take some time. So here this is important, so we have given it as test123. Okay, I will try to show you. So these are all the instructions it has happened. Now it may take some time to install. Okay, let it install. So let's wait for some time so that the PostgreSQL will be installed. So I will be using the PostgreSQL for this one, and I will be using the Prisma ORM. So we'll try to set up the Prisma ORM after finishing of this PostgreSQL setup. So let's try to see. Now we are able to see that it has been successfully installed. So now you can additional drivers and also. Okay, I am clicking on that one, finish. Now it has been finished. So here welcome to Stack Builder and all those things it is asking. Okay, next we'll try to click on the next. These are all things we can click on cancel. Okay. So let's go to here. So now the PostgreSQL is completely successfully installed. So if you want to check it means, so here we can go into this one, and if you try to click on PG admin, so here this is our PHP admin or something like that. You will be having it right for the MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench, in the same scenario you will be having a PG admin, PostgreSQL admin. So I am opening this one. So it may take some time. Let it take. So let's try to see. This is our PG admin 4. And I am opening this one. Yeah, so it will look like interface will look like this one, waiting for PG admin 4 to start. So here this is the entire thing which you will be able to see, operate your databases, tables and all those things. So here I am using the PostgreSQL PG admin. So when you install that PostgreSQL, so there only it will ask you that do I want to install this PG admin tool or not. So there by default it will be selected. So if it is selected means, so you will be having this PG admin automatically. If it is not selected means, then you need to install it manually again, PG admin thing. So now I will be opening this one. So let it open. So now we are here. We are able to see the servers. When I click on this servers thing, let's open this servers. Yeah, here it will ask you for the Postgre So you know the password, right, which I told you to remember that password, test123. So I am writing this test123 and I am saving this password. Okay. So now automatically the databases. So the default database here you will be able to see the Postgre. And if you want to create a database means, so here you can right click on this one and you can create a database. So there is a different thing. So now what we will try to do it is, so here we have successfully installed the PostgreSQL and now the Postgre database is also working. So for example, let's say that I will create a database for you. Let's try to go to the preferences. Let's try to go here, view, zoom in. I will try to make the zoom in and I will try to make it bigger so that you people can able to observe it carefully. From now onwards we will be using this PostgreSQL also. I'm making it bigger so that you people can able to see it clearly. Yeah, hopefully this one is fine. And here I will be clicking on zoom in and here zoom in. Let's try to go zoom in again. I will make the zoom in too much big for your visualization. Yeah, hopefully I will make another zoom in. Yeah, hopefully this one is fine. I will try to do it like this. Yeah, so here we are able to see the databases and all those things, and I will make it a little bit bigger also. View, zoom in. Yeah, so now here I will click on the databases and here I will create a database and it will ask you like this. And here suggest I will create sample_db. We will use HireAPI, that one different. So owner is like this and click on save and you'll be able to see the definition, the encoding, so the languages for support and all those things, and security parameters and all those things you can select it. So right now I am not doing too much into this one. So here you'll be able to see a sample DB and in this one you will be able to see a schemas. In this schemas, so here you will be having the tables and all those formats. So here you'll be able to see the tables. So right now we don't have any table. Okay, you can create one table here, table, and it will ask you the names and all those things. So here it will ask you the names. Let's try to make it bigger. I don't know why it is not coming. So like this it will ask you the names and all those things. So like this we will be creating the tables and this is all the matter. So this is how we will be using the PostgreSQL. Now we will, in our HireAPI project or our job portal project, we will be using this PostgreSQL. Right now at the time of this recording I am using the version 17. So if you are having lesser version or a bigger version, if you are having, it means okay, fine, not a problem. So this video and everything, it will work as it is. Now what I will try to do is, so that's it guys about this one. So installation. So now next we will be using the Prisma ORM to set up the database and the schemas and all those things. We will use it. So hope you understood about this concept. So now what I will be trying to do it is, in our code I will be setting up this Prisma ORM. And I will be providing the GitHub URL below to this in the description below. So for any details or anything, means you can watch over that, you can take over that code and all those things and you can have it for reference. That's it guys. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.